Hi everyone, today one of our affiliate locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding 2021 Cadillac XT6 key fob. Also where you should put the key fob, the exact spot, so you can code the key correctly. Also, this is the spot if the battery died, where you can start the vehicle. This procedure is very common, used for different Cadillac models, XT6, XT5, 4, Escalade of course, CT6, CT5, CT4 and more. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.
Hello everybody, we're working on a 2021 Cadillac XT6 SUV model. We're plugged into the OBD of the vehicle. After we read the pin code with our machine, we are right now trying to program the key. And I can't shut this radio down. There we go. So it's a push to start, as you can see. This is the learning slot. So as you can see, it's like an indentation in the armrest where you would put your remote, and that is for the key to be learned, or also if you run out of battery in your fob and the car dashboard will say key fob not detected, you would drop it in here and then the car will start. This process takes about a good 12 minutes, and as you can see, we're waiting for the progress to go, and we should be done. So this is how you program a Cadillac XT6 2021 model using a programmer. Again, we're plugged in and we're waiting for it to finish. We should be done soon and the car should start. Thanks.